Hello there, great people. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to make a comparison between an iPhone 6 with 64 gigs of storage and an iPhone 8 with 64 gigs of storage as well. So why I'm doing this? Of course, it's not only to check, if you need to upgrade between one and another, but since everyone is speaking and talking about the battery issues on the iPhone 6 and the throttling that Apple intentionally, I put this on quotes, makes on this device, if it actually makes a difference between this and this 6 and this 8. So keep in mind this is a device that has 1 year old of usage, and this is a device that has only 1 month. I have here some apps, an app that I want to check. It was the Lyrium app. It's a free app that you can download from the App Store, and this tells you the actual health of your device and mainly regarding the battery. So if you can check here on the iPhone 6, we have 88% of battery health. This is the battery that is remaining on this device, okay? And on the iPhone 8, sorry, not 9, we have 104% of battery health. So it's more than the manufacturer, okay? So we have here 1900 milliamperes, and on this one we have 1600. The battery, the manufacturer says that the battery that we should have, the design capacity of the battery should be, and if we go here to this device and click on battery on both, the design capacity should be 1810 milliamperes, and this one is the same, okay, 1821. So a little bit more on this one, okay, but not too much. Now regarding this, and since this is already with 1 year with some degradation of the battery, what is in real tasks on both devices, if we are going to check if there is any performance, if we noticed something very dramatic. Now let's go here to a page. Let's open, for example, and I go here, and let's open Mac rumors on both of them. Mac rumors, Mac rumors, and I have here but I'll write also Mac rumors, and let's click on go on both of them, and let's see the rendering of the page. Oh, this one went directly to the page, so let's skip this, and I will click here and here at the same time. iPhone, so not a huge difference, okay? And I have ad blocker here, and this one doesn't have ad blocker, so not bad at all, okay? iPhone 6, a device with almost 3 years since it was released, not a big difference. Now let's go ahead and test another page. Let's go, for example, to, I don't know, Apple, why not? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are connected on the same Wi-Fi, but okay, perfect also. Now let's click here on the second link, for example. Let's click here on the iPhone 10. Let's see how much time. Okay, a little bit of a difference. That's expected, but it's running very well. Now let's go to, let me see, YouTube. I don't know if my daughter has YouTube here, the application. She doesn't. So let's go to maps. Let's see, maps. Okay, we are seeing a little bit of degradation already picked up the place, but it was a little bit of okay, let's test this again. Let's go to the weather. Again, it took some time. And what I want to check, and since we are going to change, and you see a little bit of drop frame there, since we are going to change the battery of this one, this is the first test that I want to do, and afterwards, and I'll do the same test and see if there is a huge difference when we swap the battery for a new one. Now, this was my previous phone, so I'm used to this device, and now that I'm comparing one to another, I'm having the real experience on speed. Now let's go ahead to another application. For example, what I use more is Safari, YouTube. My daughter doesn't have here YouTube, but I can test that on another video. Now let's go ahead again to Safari, and why not and go to YouTube over here. Let's click YouTube. Okay, let's go to youtube.com. 1, 2, 3. iPhone 8 already, but not a huge. Let's click. Now I'm a little bit quiet because I'm also checking. This is hit record and talk and see, but you know, there is in fact a delay, but I'm expecting on what I am thinking is these are all running the same operating systems. So this one is not taking advantage of the new things on iOS on this iPhone 8, but you know, I'm using the same things, and I don't understand why this is so much slower than the iPhone 8. But we are going to swap this battery. This is going to make a battery swap, and I'll returning to this topic in the near future. So if you want, go ahead, click on that like button. I know this is a short video, but she wants her phone, you know, the kids. And this is it, guys. Hit that subscribe button to see more content. And if you enjoy, hit that like button. And if you didn't, you have the other one. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.